Exciting news is on the horizon for tech enthusiasts and smartwatch fans alike. Garmin is preparing to launch its highly anticipated Fenix 8 Pro series smartwatches, which promise to redefine wearable technology as we know it. This new lineup is generating considerable excitement, and for good reason. With cutting-edge features and innovative design, these smartwatches are set to make a significant impact on the market. At the heart of the Fenix 8 Pro series is the groundbreaking micro-LED display technology. Unlike traditional LCD and AMOLED screens, micro-LED displays offer superior brightness, enhanced energy efficiency, and longer lifespans. These advanced displays are engineered to deliver better contrast and vibrant color accuracy, ensuring that users enjoy a crystal-clear viewing experience, even in direct sunlight. This means that Garmin's new smartwatches won't just be visually stunning, they'll also perform exceptionally well in various lighting conditions, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. Garmin's commitment to innovation doesn't stop with the display technology. The company has strategically partnered with VX, a well-respected name in the tech industry, to co-develop these micro-LED displays. This collaboration aims to leverage VX's expertise, ensuring that the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatches meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Together, Garmin and VX are pushing the limits of what is achievable in wearable technology, providing users with a truly exceptional visual experience. The Fenix 8 Pro series will be available in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, catering to a wide range of wrist sizes and preferences. This versatility ensures a comfortable fit for all users, whether for daily wear or adventurous activities. Designed to be both functional and stylish, the Fenix 8 Pro smartwatches are perfect companions for any occasion. Packed with impressive features, these smartwatches boast an advanced battery that lasts up to 24 hours in smartwatch mode and up to 10 days in GPS mode. This extended battery life allows users to enjoy their devices for longer without the hassle of frequent recharges, making them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. For those eager to get their hands on the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin has announced that pre-orders will begin on September 15th. With such cutting-edge technology and practical features, these smartwatches are sure to be in high demand. Be sure to mark your calendars and get ready to secure yours. In conclusion, Garmin's Fenix 8 Pro series is set to revolutionize the smartwatch market. With its innovative features and stylish design, it promises to deliver an unparalleled user experience. Stay tuned for more updates, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news on Garmin and other exciting tech releases.